Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we are in May, and I went up to the Amish greenhouse, and they had a beautiful fuchsia up there. Now this is a little dry, so we're just giving it a little water here. And I'm not watering it really heavy. Right now I am going to water it till water runs out the bottom because it's almost close to dark, and I don't want to cause any type of bortress blight or anything like that. So this variety here is what they call dark eyes, and you can see the bloom down here. And my mom, for Mother's Day, my dad bought her a double dark eyes. And I was doing some research on, some said that they were the same, and others said that they were a different variety. So I am still doing research on that. I believe it's called a Wind Chimes Double Dark Eyes, which was a different variety. So this one here is an old-fashioned type, and it does trail. And I'm just gently getting it watered here. I'm trying to keep water off of the leaves because I don't want to cause bortress blight or anything else like that. I don't want to cause any diseases or blights because it is closer to nighttime here, but I just got back, and this here did need some watered, which sometimes they will need some water. So I just went ahead and got it watered here. Now these here do like partial shade, and they cannot tolerate full sun. There are some varieties of fuchsias that do tolerate more sun, but this variety here is not one of those. So, especially if you're down south, definitely keep them in the shade more. Now, we're in a northern climate here, so we can get away with some sun on them, but we don't want to put them out in full sun. So you can see this one here is starting to trail down, and I am going to be putting this out there, potentially calling for storms, so I don't want it to get damaged because really strong gusty winds can break these stems, and we don't want to do that. We want to keep it nice and grown real pretty for us here. Now this can be propagated by stem cuttings. From my understanding, this variety here, the dark eyes itself, is a non-patent variety, so you can take cuttings from this. If something would happen to get damaged, you could propagate it by taking stem cuttings. So water is running out the bottom of this, and it's nice and moist now. So if they're calling for cold or for frost or for freeze, definitely bring them inside and put them in a well-protected area so that they do not freeze out on you. And they will be damaged by a frost. Now, if it doesn't damage the root systems, they can come back. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.